8 minus 9 gives us negative 1. And again, here we have 8 minus 9, which again gives us negative 1. And negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to just 1, because negative times negative is positive, and 1 times 1 is 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? Parentheses is priority number 1. And the second thing to solve in equation is exponent, right? So exponent is priority number 2. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division. We have to solve one of this, right? In order, left to right. And in equation, the last thing to solve is addition or subtraction. Again, for this, it's going to be left to right. So according to this rule, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, right? Subtraction and addition is priority number 4. So we have to solve multiplication before addition or subtraction, right? So that is what the rule states, and the problem we solve is incorrect, right? That is why it is incorrect. So in this equation, we have 2 multiplication and we have 2 subtraction and 1 multiplication, and we have to do the multiplication first, right? So 9 times 8 gives us 72, right? So 8 minus 72 minus 9 is going to be the next equation, and 8 minus 72 is equal to negative 64, and negative 64 minus 9 is equal to negative 73. So the final answer to this question is negative 73.